Hey guys, this is Dan Bergner, and I want to walk you through the process of how we can use Youreka to ensure the safety of all of our mobile workforce members that are out there today in the field, continuing to provide service, do break fix, install, and maintenance routines. So what we've done is we've done a quick interpretation of CDC guidelines in order to position these folks in the field with a quick check of themselves to ensure that they're following all the proper COVID-19 protocol to ensure the safety of themselves and also the individuals that they interact with while doing their job out there in the field. So let's dive in. What we have in this particular checklist is if I've gone through and I've just completed a work order, I've repaired an HVAC unit for someone, for example, and I now need to do a quick assessment of myself and my experiences to ensure that I'm doing everything that I can to limit the spread of COVID-19. Maybe it asks us a quick question around, did you cough or sneeze or contact any animals or pets? If so, don't forget to clean your hands often. Here's a reminder of a proper hand washing procedure. And then it can do a symptom assessment of us as well, right? Or of the individual as well. So if we say, hey, are you presenting with a fever or a cough or shortness of breath? And then do a bit of a deeper dive around emergency presentation around, are you having difficulty breathing or do you have pain in your chest? If so, it's going to prioritize your need to contact a healthcare provider and confirm that you've done so. From there, it's a reminder around the importance of wearing a face mask if you're sick and other CDC guidelines and protocol, the things that we should be following and doing in order to limit the spread of COVID-19. It can follow up with a quick check of the individual to make sure that they are or are not feeling prepared to complete their next visit. And with a quick submit of this checklist or this safety check, what's going to happen is all of our back office staff that's monitoring the well-being of these individuals are going to receive a notification using Salesforce workflow, for example, to say, hey, we've got a technician in the field who's presenting symptoms. Switch over to this screen for you here really quick. We've got an individual who's presenting symptoms in the field. This is how we get in touch with them. This is who that individual is and their location. And a quick link brings us into Salesforce to show us here is that individual's assessment that they just completed. Please note they're presenting symptoms, and we can see all the data that was collected or recorded by that individual out in the field. All of this is capable of being summarized into Salesforce reports and dashboards so that we can have a good operational view of all the data that's being collected out in the field. And as these CDC guidelines continue to evolve around best practices and recommendations, we are going to be able to quickly respond to all of these situations or all of these new evolutions of information by using a very simple drag and drop user interface to say, maybe we want to start off with, are you feeling sick or incapable of continuing to work? And we'll ask a very simple yes/no question, but we have lots of different options for collecting information. And then perhaps from there, we want to present them with some quick guidance. Stop work. Please contact a healthcare provider immediately. And we'll make sure that they know that this is important by making it bold, red. We'll put it in the center of the screen so they can't miss it. And we're able to adjust what's shown or displayed to the end user using very simple conditional visibility settings here. So if I click preview on this really quick, I can check my work, make sure that it looks good on a phone as well. If they say yes, there's that great reminder. And now I'm the click of a button away from being able to deploy this to the field and push that new protocol out to all of our mobile workforce team members in just a quick click. Thank you.